Good evening. This is Leena Lal. You're watching Famous TV. And today, the big question is it just a battle of egos or does this rivalry run deeper? We are talking about the Titans clash, the Drake and Kendrick Lamar feud. In the world of hip hop, rivalries are as old as the genre itself. But when two of the industry's giants, Drake and Kendrick Lamar, lock horns, it becomes more than just a feud. It becomes a cultural phenomenon. February 9, 2025, Super Bowl Licks halftime show. Kendrick Lamar takes the stage, delivering a performance that would be remembered for more than just its musical brilliance. Amidst his set, he performs Not Like Us, a track widely recognized as a diss aimed squarely at Drake. The crowd erupts not just in appreciation of the performance, but in the acknowledgement of the audacity. This wasn't just entertainment, it was a statement. But how did we get here? To understand, we need to rewind the clock. The seeds of discord were sown back in 2013. Kendrick Lamar's verse on Big Sean's Control sent shockwaves through the hip hop community. In it, he called out fellow rappers, including Drake, challenging them in a bid to assert dominance. While many took it in a stride, for Drake, it marked the beginning of a simmering tension. Fast forward to March 2024. Kendrick releases Like That, a track that many interpreted as taking direct shots at Drake. Drake, never one to back down, responded with push-ups and tailor-made freestyle. The latter, however, landed him in hot water due to use of AI-generated vocals mimicking Tupac Shakur, leading to legal threats and its eventual removal from streaming platforms. The back and forth continued, with Kendrick dropping Euphoria and 616 in LA, each track intensifying the feud. But it was Not Like Us, released in May 2024, that truly set the stage for the Super Bowl spectacle. The song accused Drake of serious allegations, causing a media frenzy and leading Drake to vehemently deny the claims in his subsequent release, The Hard Part 6. As the musical exchanges heated up, so did the legal confrontations. Drake filed lawsuits against Universal Music Group, accusing them of defamation and alleging that they were promoting Kendrick's defamatory tracks. The courtroom became another battleground for these two titans, adding layers of complexity to their rivalry. The feud reached its zenith at the Super Bowl. Kendrick's decision to perform Not Like Us on such a grand stage was seen by many as the ultimate power move. The performance was laden with symbolism, and the presence of Drake's ex-girlfriend, Serena Williams, dancing during the set added fuel to the fire. Drake, notably absent from the event, was performing in Australia at the time, but the ripples of Kendrick's performance were felt worldwide. In the days following the Super Bowl, the hip-hop community and fans alike have been abuzz. Kendrick's performance is hailed as a masterstroke by some, while others view it as a provocative escalation. Drake's camp has remained relatively silent, leaving many to wonder about the next chapter in this saga. Rivalries in music are nothing new, but the Drake-Kendrick feud stands out for its intensity and public nature. As fans, we are left to ponder, is this just two artists pushing each other to greater heights, or is there a deeper animosity at play? Only time will tell. This is Leena Lal signing off. Keep watching Famous TV for more such content.